Here I am. Just want to say hi to everybody who subscribes to my channel. This is the second day of the snowstorm. It's coming down hard. I'm trying to get some food here at White Castle. So I'm going through the drive-thru here. Give me some breakfast. To my subscriber, I don't know what language you speak, but I speak English, Vietnamese, and a little bit of Chinese, a couple words of French here and there. So, you're watching this here video. Alright. Here's some more snow coming out. Today is December the 8th, 2013, and it's Sunday. Nay là ngày Chủ nhật tháng 12 ngày 8 2013. Bonjour, Paris, France. Ni hao ma. I gotta get some food here. There goes the lady at White Castle. I get some money and some food here.
You need cream and sugar?
Yes, please. Give me 2 cream, 2 sugar.
Okay. What you doing?
I'm doing a little video, so I'll post on YouTube about the storm.
Putting it on us too?
Yeah, everybody, including me. Okay. So say hi.
Here comes your cream and sugar, honey.
Okay.
Put it on YouTube and the store, including him. Put it up to everybody. Here you go, hon. You have a good day.
Thank you. Can you give me a couple pack of mayonnaise too?
Mayonnaise, sure.
Yes. You know, people like to see what you're doing daily.
Oh, yeah. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Yep. Here I got some White Castle here. I'm going to sign up here. I got to drive, so bye.